Yo, where's the plan? Devon X Cut here, and here we're going on. I spend money on something I need to make back that money, so you need to watch this video. Even though you're not going to care, I guarantee you're not going to care, but I buy a new hair dryer. This is my hair right now without anything in it. This is just how my hair is. So most of the times when you see my pictures on Instagram, make sure you follow me there at Devon X Cut. You'll see my hair looking kind of straight and I can have a kind of style. Well, I as blow dry my hair every single day. Only recently I realized the last blow dryer that I had, it's kind of make my hair frizzy and it's kind of be hard to control. So I was like, you know what? I need to buy a new hair dryer. So I went in Pennywise. Shout out Pennywise, they didn't sponsor me, but they should. And I buy this for $300! TT, that is not US, so it's not really that expensive, but I need to make back that money, so I need to watch this video so the ads get bump up and make back my $300. So, reviewing a hair dryer. So before we start the actual review, I'm going to just let you know what come with it, and then when I'm done, we'll go wet my hair and make my hair back to how it's we want to now done bathe, and I'll show you how I style my hair. I don't have much hair. I don't know if you can see like a balding in the center here, so I'll show you how I style the little bit of hair that I have left. So the first thing that come in the box is this thing. Now, I specifically take the one with this in it, because Elise was like, I want a diffuser! I just care about this. This is what it had, the kind of thing that's focused the air. We'll rest this right here for now because we don't need to see that again. And the two most important things you need to know is this and this. Now literally that's all that comes with the hairdryer, just the hairdryer and the two tips. I have the box here. I don't know if you want to see the box, that's the box. By the way, I'll leave a link below on Amazon if you want to buy it because I'll give back some money if you buy my affiliate link and money. Keratin and argan oil technology. Dryer grill infused with keratin and argan oil to shiny hair. So I'm guessing that's this little thing here. No, I'm not a hairdryer expert, but I think that's it not infused with the keratin there. I'm not sure. Ionic technology dries hair faster and helps absorb moisture, reducing heat damage and frizz. That's what I want. I hate frizz. Frizz is my problem, as you can see. Ceramic technology, infrared heat produced by the ceramic coated grill dries hair fast. So the real question you're all wondering, does it work? We're going to see. Let me go sort this out. Whew. Alright, so this is my hair before it dry. I can't watch myself anymore, just excuse me. So if it dry, it'll be exactly like what it was before. So the steps that I use to get my hair how it normally is, we start with this. This is a heat protectant. Beauty Guru. I only start using this recently because somebody told me I'm damaging my hair by not using heat protectant. So we're using heat protectant. So the first thing we're going to do, no, don't roast me in the comments, right? If you know how to take care of your hair better than me, enlighten me in the comments. Don't try to roast me because I'll roast you back. Take off this because I don't want to mess up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7. And we just run it through the hair. You know, so it coat the left and the right and the back and the front of the hair properly. So now it's fully protected from heat. So from here, I make sure I could see again. The hair dryer I was using before did not have this tip, so it couldn't focus the hair properly. So like while I blow drying right here, it'll make the rest side frizzy. So now we just click on this clip here, it's a nice little included, like, you hear that? Whew, satisfied. Alright, so we have 3 heat options, low, medium and high, and then we have 2 wind options, normal, and then we have like a blast of cold air if you need it. So, before my hair gets super dry, let me start the styling process. I'm gonna pull out my fancy mirror from PriceSmart here. Cool, I have a view. You're not gonna hear me if I have this on. And, okay, so we're using medium heat and highest. So that way, when I take the comb, the brush, and I do this, I'll be straightening the hair that I actually focus on the wind on. So just in case you can't hear me when I'm talking, that's what I'm gonna be doing, right? Cool, let me get started. So first thing is to give the hair some body. So we pull it, and we just kind of, you know, spread them out, make them have a little bit of body. It's not hot. Oh, I didn't have the heat on. Oh, let's plug the hair dryer on somewhere else. Alright, so we have a more stable power source now, so we can continue. Highest heat, highest wind. As I'm doing this, it kind of straightens out the hair as well. We're not ready to really straighten it yet, we just kind of gently making it, you know, telling it, yo, you need to do what I say you need to do. So we just kind of letting him know what he need to be doing. So I know you're thinking it looking a little curly and still, but just wait, just wait. Right, so now that I'm looking like some nerdy actor, the hair kind of mid-dry, so now it's time to really dry it out and straighten the hair at the same time. So this is the trick. We're going to do this, we're going to grab a piece of hair, we're going to blow dry him to hell and make sure he's straightened, right? So let me start. So now I know what you're thinking. It's looking cool and thing, but it's kind of flipping back. Don't worry, we'll fix that. But the thing is, we can't just style the front of the head. So let me go and finish the rest of my head, right? Now, I know people usually say if you use that person that balding in the center, don't be that person to try and cover it up, but I don't care, horse. I'll take this little piece of hair right here, and I just kind of give them a little bit of body and pull them across to block the bald spot. I don't know how long again it'll work, but while we have it, we're gonna do it. Right, so now the next thing is to fix how I want the hair to fall on this side. So I'll take it, I'll straighten it, and I'll drop it neatly on this side. You can't see this because there's the bad side of the beard and I don't want to turn this side, so just hold it. Alright, so we kind of have the back of the hair in our gear now, so it's just to fix the front and make sure it's shaped exactly how I need it to shape. It's good so far. I just need it to stop going back and just kind of be straight. So that's the plan. So we kind of finished with the back, so it's just to polish up the front. Alright, so at this point is where I would usually say, okay, it had enough heat, it's just time to style it now, and at this point of the video I realized I forget my hair product, so be alright. So this is the hair product I use. It's clay. It's the most random clay you'll find in the world. I buy it on AliExpress for like $3. Don't use this one, honestly, because it's not that great, but I have a whole set, so I'll use it still. If you want the right clay, link below in the description to the affiliate link that will give me money when you buy it. Money. So I see a lot of people making mistakes, that is take too much hair product. You could always put more. You can't take out any. So we're going to start with a little bit. Usually, I know how much I need, so this kind of is a little bit too much, but we'll use it still. I don't know if you can see that. Rub it up! Make sure it's nice and warm and smooth. And we're not going to just rub it in the hair. You're going to take your fingers and you're going to pass it through. So we're just going to do this. And while you're doing that, you kind of want to shape your hair to where you want it to fall and where you need it to be. And just kind of run it through here and make sure it's neat and safe and cool. So now at this point, I don't know if you noticed, but my hair looking way too neat. So it's just to disconnect the neatness now. So you're going to just do this and just kind of pat it down and separate the hairs a little bit and make it look a little bit like, you know, he just wake up and he hair looking perfect, way looking kind of good still. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all styling my hair. Thanks for helping me pay for my hair dryer. I'll see you later in the next video.